Hello everyone, my name is Nikita Kendre and today's video topic name is exception handling in Java. The exception handling in Java is one of the powerful mechanism to handle the runtime errors so that the normal flow of the application can be maintained. In this tutorial we will learn about Java exception, its types and difference between check and uncheck exceptions. So first is what is exception handling. Exception handling means exception is an abnormal condition. In Java, an exception is an event that disrupts the normal flow of the program. It is an object which is thrown at runtime. So, what is exception handling? Exception handling is a mechanism to handle runtime errors such as class not found exception, IO exception, SQL exception, and remote exception. etc. Next is advantages of exception handling. The core advantages of exception handling is to maintain the normal flow of the application, and exception normally disturb the normal flow of the application. That is why we need to handle exceptions. Hierarchy of Java exception classes. The Java language throwable class is the root of Java exception hierarchy, inherited by two subclasses, exception and error. Types of exception handling. There are mainly two types of exceptions, check and uncheck, and error is considered as a unchecked exception. However, according to Oracle, there are three types of exceptions. First is check exception. The classes that directly inherited the throwable class except runtime exception and error are known as check exceptions. For example, IO exception and SQL exception, etc. Check exception are check at compile time. Next is uncheck exceptions. The classes that inherit the runtime exception are known as uncheck exception. For example, arithmetic exceptions and null pointer exceptions, and array index out of bound exception, etc. Uncheck exception are not check at compile time, but they are check at runtime. Third is error. Error is irrecoverable. Some example of errors are out of memory error, virtual machine error, and assertion error. Thank you so much.